Okay, here we are with two problems, and for each of these problems we are going to use the formula that we just developed, which is this one here. K, the integral of k over ax plus b dx is equal to k over a times the natural log of ax plus b plus c. And by using this formula, if we use it correctly, it means that we don't have to do the u substitution, which was largely responsible for slowing us down. So let's look at the first one of these. So we have the integral of 2 over 3x plus 11 dx. Okay, and if we compare that to what was in the highlighted integral above, the number on top, k, is 2, and on the bottom we have 3x plus 11, so that matches perfectly the format ax plus b. So everything looks aligned. So our answer is going to be k, which was the number above the fraction line. So that's going to be 2 divided by a. Well, a was the coefficient of x, which is 3. Okay, and then we have the natural log of the absolute value of whatever this expression was underneath. We keep exactly the same expression, so it's going to be ax plus b, or 3x plus 11 plus c. Okay, so it's just, we're looking at a pattern and we're repeating the pattern. Okay, so whatever was on top of the fraction remains on top outside here. The coefficient of a goes in front as well, and it becomes the denominator of a fraction, and then log of whatever the base was. Log of whatever the denominator was plus c. So that's the first one done. That was very simple. No need for u substitution. The second one is a little bit more difficult because it's not exactly in the same format. It's 8 minus x dx. Well, if we want to get it in exactly the same way that it was previously in the formula, we can change it round. The 6 on top, and on the bottom we had the x coming first, so if we want to put the x first, it would be negative x. Okay, so the sign in front of each part has to remain the same, so negative x plus 8, and that's exactly the same thing. Okay, these two are exactly the same as one another. So now we have it in a format that's more akin to the formula. So we start off, it's going to be the top, so 6 over the coefficient of x. Well, the coefficient of x in this case is negative 1. Okay, it's negative 1. So it's 6 over negative 1, and then we have the log of whatever was on the bottom. So minus x plus 8. And traditionally we don't like starting with a minus. There's no reason for that other than that we've come to think that it doesn't look so nice. So instead of writing it as minus x plus 8, let's go back to the original, write it as 8 minus x. We've said already it's the same thing, so it doesn't matter in terms of the content of this. And then plus the c. Now what's important about this was that the negative x meant that a negative came outside. Okay, and we can simplify it in this case, 6 over minus 1. It could have been 6 over minus 7 in a different example, and we wouldn't simplify it, but 6 over minus 1, we'll simplify that as negative 6. So it's negative 6 times the log of the absolute value of 8 minus x plus c. And again, much quicker than doing u substitution. Okay, thanks for watching.